Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix PC Bluetooth not working. Bluetooth issues can be frustrating and confusing, particularly when you want to listen to your favorite songs or need to reconnect a Bluetooth-enabled devices. And here's a clear beginner-friendly guide that works for Windows 11 and Windows 10. First is to restart your PC. It is to refresh the system services. Press Windows plus I to open the settings. Click Bluetooth and devices. Toggle the Bluetooth off. Then wait 10 seconds. Then turn it on. And make sure airplane mode is turned off. Click devices and remove the Bluetooth device that won't connect. Turn the Bluetooth device off and on again. Then put the device into the pairing mode. Go back to the Bluetooth and devices and click Add Device. Then choose the Bluetooth and reconnect the device. Now press Windows plus X and open the device manager. Expand the Bluetooth. Right-click your Bluetooth adapter and choose Update Driver. If it still fails, right-click the adapter and choose Disable. Then Enable. Restart your PC, and Bluetooth shall now works properly. Extra tips: run Bluetooth Troubleshooter via Settings, System, Troubleshoot, and other troubleshooters. Then Bluetooth. Then check if your PC supports Bluetooth. Some desktops need a USB adapter. Install the latest manufacturer drivers like Intel, Realtek, etc. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.